Sport Classic.
It's a bubble.
They call me a god. They call me a god. They call me a god. They call me a god.
Let's go. I'm about to go off like a weapon. Fuel to the top, got a filled up engine.
Okay guys, just before we head out on this video and we get into what's coming up next, I just wanted to give my sponsorship a shout out. TorontoMessenger.com, Toronto's latest messaging app. Develop your profile to message among your friends, to post content in the community tab on your page, show people what you're up to, check out other events, post events, weather, news, you name it. Check out TorontoMessenger.com, link in the description, you guys.
5, 4,
3,
2, 1. Smelly dog farts. Before I even got to the event, this happened.
Wow. See you there, man. As you guys can guess, we're on our way to a Porsche meet. Guards Red GT3 RS right there. So this must have just happened because I heard this on the way here. So we're on our way to the Porsche meet. I think I'm going the right way. And this just happened. That's so crazy. Holy. Hey guys, so we finally made it here. We're at a PTN meet. As you guys can see, we got two brand new GT4 RSs. This one we've seen in one of my videos already. GT3 Touring. We got Anthony from Madwood. We're gonna go over and say hi. Shark Blue. So we got a bunch of Porsches. I'm gonna get roll-ins. Ooh, really nice GT3 RS. So we saw that crazy accident on the way in before we could even get here. Saw the red GT3 RS. So it should be a good event, you guys. I just got here. Thank you to my buddy Adam for holding the camera so I can get this intro. In the comments, I want you guys to do me a favor. If George Clooney was a hyena, Fabio was a cheetah, who would win in a fight? Tell me in the comments. Okay guys, like, share, and subscribe. I'm gonna get some content. Peace. Okay guys, we're gonna get some roll-ins. Ooh, 718, sick. That's sick. That's really sick. Wow. Shark Blue GT4 RS, and then we got this new GT4 RS. This is going to be a good event. Wow, that's sick. That's really sick too.
I do. We're kind of packed in there. I don't want to start blocking people in, but have to get you guys like right up behind.
That's insane. We've seen this before. The white wheels, that's really sick. We know this guy. That's sick. 36 with a lightweight wing. Dude, that's kind of sick, actually. Yeah, it's got the lightweight wing. That's Adam LZ spec all day. Sport Classic. Classic right here.
Yep.
That's really nice. Wow. Okay, that's sick. Sport Classic. Ooh.
Is that Mark? No.
That's really nice. Oh, it's Raffy. Hey, buddy. And we got a GTR. Sport Classic number 2. That's crazy.
That's nice.
2.
So Adam, you don't want a coffee?
I'm good.
I'll go get Specifics his coffee.
You just call me. Ooh, that's sick. Oh, Guards red with the gold wheels and the duckbill. That's sick. Shark blue GT3 gold wheels, Orion gold wheels, old school Targa. Wow, this is an event of the ages. Wow. Listen to it. Isn't that the guy that owns the... Yeah, isn't that... Listen to that! Sick. You hear the turbos on that shit. Ultraviolet purple GT3 RS. Whoa, oh, the silver wheels. I've seen this before. This is from our club. This is a real Safari Cayman. That's so sick. That is so rad, dude. If it says X12 on the, yeah, it's John. That's John right there. Ruby Stone Red Carrera T. Speed Yellow GT4 RS. That's sick. That's 5 I've seen now. Portofino. Is that a Portofino M? And McLaren MP412C at a Porsche event. That's really nice. Volcano Orange. I've almost seen every iteration of McLaren in Volcano Orange. Another GT4 RS in navy blue. That's 6 tonight. I've seen like maybe. That's number 2. Ultraviolet purple. Oh, it's the perf from downtown. That's so fun. Yeah. But that's sick. Guards red. That's really sick, actually. Now we got an Audi R8. That's so nice. This is sick. Sport Classic. Wow. That's 2 in one night. Like, oh my god.
Yeah.
BBS wheels. My god. Look at this combo. Unbelievable. I'd have to say this is a pretty successful event. So it just started. Before it was even started, it was full up. So every Porsche. Ooh. GT3 Touring. 2, no 1. is Dawn. That's with Mandarin Orange interior. Speed Yellow Turbo S. This is just absolute mayhem. This is sick. Purple M4 comp with wheels. That's really nice. Cabriolet too. What? No way. That's the way to show up to a Porsche event. Skyline GTR R34. Wow.
Right-handed drive.
RB28 has a license plate. No way. No. Porsche heaven, you guys. You have a good night, my friend. GT4 RS leaving. That's gorgeous. I love those wheels. Targa, the big whale tail. That's stunning, dude.
That's the only reason.
That is GT3 RSL? Yeah, it is. What's up? I knew that was you. I heard that was you coming down. GT3 RSL. Nice. We've seen this guy before. That's sick. With the Euro plate on it. That's the way to roll up to a Porsche event. Wow. That's so sick. Coupe. Taking the Apex. Okay guys, we got double ultraviolet purple 3RSs. We got one right there, and we got one right there, which are my favorite colors. One of my favorite colors. And we got an R8. It's a GT4, the Club Sport pack. Now ultraviolet purple GT3 right after touring. That's stunning. But this is really cool. It's got the Club Sport wheels and wing. So you pretty much race car for the road. That's really sick. That's 4 ultraviolet purple cars. 1, 2, the 3, the third, and then the, yeah, this is nuts. Is that a CS, is that a KIF edition? Ooh, this is sick. Nardo Gray. Oh, that's sick. That is so sick. Toyota Corona right there. So we got Toyota Corona, and then we got a GTR R34. That's pretty sick. Carrera America right there. That's almost every rare new release Porsche this year. So now we've seen a Sport Classic. And now we Carrera America. I think there's only 15 in Canada of these so far or something like that. Or in Toronto. I can't remember the numbers, but that's rare. Shit. Oh, I saw this guy on the way. That's sick. There he goes. GT4 RS. Look at this 190E. We went to go see the Evo, but this S-Spot, eat your heart out, bro. That's so sick. Oh my god. Ruby Stone Red. Oh, R32. Oh, that's Gary. Gary Matani. Uh-oh. He's getting pulled. Look at everybody running to Gary's that day.
Yeah. Again, light him up.
Right in front of the cop.
Yeah, that's parts. I think that's parts and bin.
I don't get what's the cop pulling him off?
GT4 RS.
Noise. Sport Classic. Sport Classic.
Sport Classic.
Ah.
Turning the other way, unfortunately for you.
Right there.
Yep.
Oh, Speedster.
Yeah. Can't tell if that was chalk or if that was like Gulf Blue or something.
Have a good night. Those IK cards. Hey, watch out. Jesus. Okay guys, I'm leaving in this Cabriolet 996.
I think,
Roof
hey,
down.
last time, wasn't it purple last time?
I think it was, dude. So we got my buddy Matthew. This is so sick. Matty99 on Instagram.
I don't even remember.
Oh yeah, dude. Okay guys, leaving a Porsche event in a Carrera 996 Carrera Cabriolet. Got the GTR right in front. So sick.
This baby needs some work done.
Hey, it's better than a set of crutches. Wow, you guys, top down. Peace out. Oh, I love that Defender.